All right, there we go. Shit out.
Yesterday I watched one of that nigga Victory, one of his videos. Boy, that nigga shit here with that nigga Eric.
They gave that nigga a badass turbo for free in the
intercooler. The Mexican nigga.
Yeah.
Like this. They're like, deja el patrón, no lo chupes.
No lo chupes.
That guy Eric, he was like,
oh, they're talking in Spanish though?
What's his name? You go to the comments and you'll see people know that shit.
They're Mexican? Or not? ¿Qué tal por ahí?
Line or no?
Nah.
I need to wait till I get a fade though.
Put a steak right there.
Good right now.
Hey, that's it.
I've been on some low key shit right now.
Muy chistosí.
You need more than a fade, my boy. Man, you wait over there.
He always be saying that shit. Fuck him. Fuck him. Looks good right there where it's at.
Mike has my shit.
It looks good right there where it's at.
Mike's like, I got your trial. I got
Or what?
He told me yesterday. He's like, but either way, if I do, what the fuck is this?
Wait, that what?
No, what you say, like, cause I took his, but I was just making sure you got his thing. He said that his was and I told him, man, you don't give a fuck about it.
As long as they're getting used.
That nigga, Mike was like,
That nigga better not.
Cause he said he didn't want to dig it, but I don't know.
hold on, just, we were here. I don't know if they want to curve that bitch. I saw 3.
What, 3 feet right here? Alright.
You want to check it right there, too?
Like, bro.
Like a motherfucker.
Right there.
Hey, where should I get power from over there?
We're right here. Alright, show how it's done real quick. How to get trae el patrón.
Yeah, boy. A few moments later.
Oh,
No
oh.
me miren, no me miren.
Pégale las teclas.
La cámara roll. Wow, nigga, G6.
Yeah, when GTA 6 comes out.
In November.
For real?
Said most likely. That's like. I
Yeah.
heard that bitch gonna be $200.
Yeah, no, that's text that.
Everybody just throwing things out there on
Yeah,
posts, and they're just going viral for no reason.
Hell yeah.
At first it was 100,
I seen some guy post.
now 200.
You know how like they had like a poster like of the GTA 6 with the guy and the girl in the car, and some guy was talking about like the whole day, like the date it was gonna release is right in front of us. He looked at the license plate and it said it had an F and a 6. He's like February 6th. Today could be the day. I was like, nigga, no. See how this whole not ready yet. We about to have it ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was all done.
This shit means something to me, man.
Alright. Damn. Gotta touch some of this rebar. So I didn't work yesterday? I thought I did. Alright guys, just got it done. You gotta put that little piece right there. And that should be it. Rebar is done. Rebar is tied. Now that all this shit's done, let me go check this one. Done. On to the next.